Hi there guys, Jason here from Blackpool Automart, down here on Disley Close between your Blackpool Seat dealership and your Honda Superbike Centre. Across the road you come to our Honda flagship dealership, on-site MOT and servicing bays, your paint and body clinic in the corner there alongside our valeting team. Upon purchase of any vehicle here at Blackpool Automart, you'll receive a full premium valet and a service for your vehicle as well. This afternoon I'm bringing you this absolute impeccable looking 2021 on that 71 plate Toyota Corolla. It's a 2 litre VVT-h, it's the XL Touring Sport model, and it comes with 7,350 miles on the clock. Has just the one owner, and it is your automatic petrol hybrid. 18-inch machine face diamond cut multi-spoke alloys that just look amazing. You've got your cruise control, your reversing camera, lane assist, go navigation, traction control. We've got a power tailgate with kick sensors, and I'll demonstrate that for you in a minute. We're looking with parking sensors, that rear camera again, intelligent park assist, push button start, dual zone air conditioning, EV drive mode, and that privacy glass all around. So guys, as you can see, the exterior of this car is absolutely mint. Body matching colour all the way around, bumpers and that shark fin. Mentioned about a kick sensor, see if it works first time. Walk up to the car, wave, and it should open the boot. There we go. Took its time. As we head into the back of the boot here, we see, being the estate, there's a large quantity of room. Lifting up, we've got space for a spare wheel or just loads of storage space. You've got your retractable screen here, power supply to the back. Fold your chairs down, they are a 60-40 folding. And to close the boot, just a push of a button here for you. So guys, we're going to head into the rear of the vehicle now. You see how much space we have in the back here. So jumping into the vehicle, you've got your black leather interior on the door cards with the red stitching, and then your seats feature your Isofix. They are leather as well with white stitching. Fold down armrests with a couple cup holders for the back users, and your climate control at the back there for the users as well. Looking from behind at those sport seats, we'll jump into them. So guys, jumping in, you can see that large display screen there, the 8-inch screen, and then your colour screen display for the driver as well. 7377 genuine miles on the clock. Push to start power button there. Dual zone air conditioning, and down just under here you find those heated seats. Your drive modes, automatic, electronic handbrake, couple cup holders, and we've got storage there, plus your USB connectivity and your 12-volt supply. Just take a look at these sport leather seats with that red trimming. Being a hybrid, you won't hear the engine kick in when I turn this on, but we just put on the brake pedal there, and it all comes. It'll run all its checks, show your screens are working. And if you just look at that display there, we've got your traffic speed detection there, tells you the speed limit on the roads. We're currently in EV mode. Having a look at the screen here, you can see you've got your DAB favourite radio stations, tells you your battery charge, whether you're in battery mode or engine, your full colour map there for you. Head into the audio. Click on the source. You can choose whether you want a mirrorcast, Bluetooth, DAB, AM or FM, or you plug that USB in. Head onto your navigation map and you can just see the coloration there of all your features, including petrol stations and all your speed detection cameras on there. Popping the heated seats on and the passenger. And then your multifunctional steering wheel here. Got all your headlight options and your indicators, your washer jets, your paddle shifts being the automatic. And then we just admire that steering wheel. Your different mode functions, your Bluetooth, your volume, call, voice control. And then a couple more little buttons there for your traction control and your parking assist. So guys, as you can see, this is an impeccable condition car. Being a 71 plate, it is basically a brand spanking new car. Take one more look around. If you've got any questions regarding the vehicle, give us a call down here at Blackpool Automart. If you'd like to finance the vehicle, you can do. You can give us a call to speak about those options. Or you can go online and have a look for yourself at coxmotorgroup.com, where you can also place a reserve on a vehicle. It's £100 and it is fully refundable if you choose not to proceed with the sale. See you soon, guys.